Small manufacturers are leveling up with 3 AI agents, one of them, the PO processing agent. Trigent's PO processing agent eliminates the inefficiencies typically seen in traditional purchase order workflows. Let's see the agent in action. Watch how it blends automation with human oversight. Module 1. Creating work orders. When the human procurement specialist enters the purchase details, the agent calculates the total amount and prepares the email drafts. Module 2. Vendor communication. The agent populates all essential data related to the vendors. Metrics like average delivery time, success rates, delay rates help the procurement officers select right vendors and send RFQs. Module 3. Quote comparison. Once the vendor quotes arrive by email, the agent extracts the data and lines up for side-by-side comparison and quick review. Module 4. Approvals. The agent then routes the selected quote to the finance team for sign-off. Module 5. ERP sync. Once approved, the PO is automatically updated in your ERP system. Module 6. Trace and track PO. Through the journey map, you can trace and track all artifacts associated with your PO. With the PO processing agent, what used to be a cumbersome, error-prone process is transformed into a highly automated, accurate, and transparent system. Trigent's AI agents for manufacturers, zero IT efforts, zero infra change, zero data risks. Your first agent is on us.